Itu rĩake nĩrĩrĩkĩtie kũgũmĩra aini a Kenya na the entire Kikuyu industry. Mũini wĩ gatũ nĩarĩkĩtie kwĩruta muoyo. Ndeto yatiga aingĩ in total shock mategwĩtĩkia atĩ ma nĩguo gwathiĩ. Endwa mũciĩ wa Kinyarĩ arĩ ũmwe wa andũ arĩa mararĩ na ndũgũ ya hakuhĩ na mũini ũyũ nĩombũrĩte na gũtarĩria how she had received a message from him a few hours before he was pronounced dead. Little did she know that would be the last time she would ever hear from him. Na rĩu agĩtigwo akĩyũria, could he have been trying to tell her something? Could he have been trying to say goodbye? Na onake cukuru ya Nairobi arĩwe wakorwo agĩkĩra ndeto ĩno mũkonde atĩ mũini ũyũ nĩ kwĩruta arerutire muoyo. Nĩatarĩirie ũrĩa ndeto ĩno ĩrakorirwo ĩkĩmũkinyĩra. Mũini ũyũ arĩ mũini wĩ ngumo ũĩkaine ta John Apple, a well-known Kikuyu gospel artist who mainly does worship songs. Nĩcio aroĩkaine mũno nacio. And he was also a father in waiting. He is sadly no more. The news of his death sending the entire Kikuyu industry into shock. Aini o mũndũ akĩyumĩria na kũheana karũgano gake na John Apple. Many are testing that he was a very humble person and he seemed to be doing well. Na aingĩ matingĩreciirie atĩ he was suffering from depression. Tondũ just last year he was able to build a house, nyũmba ya kĩrorerwa, nyũmba ya ngorofa, na agĩkorwo nginya agĩka igongona rĩa gũkũngũĩra ũhotani ũcio wake. And just last Sunday he was spotted somewhere performing. He kũndũ marĩ na aini na arata matiganĩte and he delivered a wonderful performance. But yesterday mathaa-inĩ ma hwaĩ-inĩ ndeto nĩrakorirwo ĩkiumbũka atĩ nĩakorwo erutĩte muoyo and he was no more. Na wa mũciĩ wa Kinyarĩ taking to her Facebook page atekũhota kũhitha maithori na gĩtangĩko gĩake has narrated her last engagement with him, akiuga she was at work during her show when John Apple texted her and she was able to reply. She texted him back. No wa mũciĩ wa Kinyarĩ nĩaugĩte there was no hint or any indication that John Apple was not doing well. Ndanonania atĩ maũndũ matirĩ sawa na rĩu gũcoka kũigua atĩ he is no more. Nĩ ũndũ wa mũtiga ena ruo rũnene mũno. Wa mũciĩ akiuga, you texted me while I was in the show afternoon and I texted you back. Why are you saying bye? You would have hinted to me that there was something that was not alright. Rĩu ũũ nĩ atia John Apple. Na onake Ann Lawrence akiuga, what is this that I'm hearing? A time like now last year we gathered to hand over the house that you built for your mom. Rest easy John Apple. Nake Ruth wa mama akiuga, guy. Nake Kenya Wairatu, can't believe this man is no more. Why now? Rest in peace John Apple. Na onake cukuru ya Nairobi agĩshare a screenshot of a conversation he had na mũndũ ũrakorirwo akĩmũconfirmĩra atĩ John Apple took his own life na njĩra ya kwĩita. Nĩombũrĩte atĩ niĩ nĩndetĩkia John Apple nĩathiĩ, Ngai honokia mbeũ njĩthĩ. This being the conversation akorwo agĩshare, yes John is no more, ni wa kwetu. Na akoria what happened, kujinyonga tu bro, Jehova wa pole kwa familia. Na huyo agacokia, imagine last year tulifungua nyumba yake kubwa ya gorofa and he was so happy. Very sad news, very painful news. John Apple arohũrũka ũhoro na Ngai arohe famĩlĩ yake thayũ, Ngai aromagiria maithori na Ngai aromomĩrĩria. May he rest in eternal peace. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.